Now, children, today let's start with chapter number first, that is democracy. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about democracy. First, what is government? It is the body that governs administration. Administrators are political unit like a country or state. Government has the authority to make laws, settle dispute, maintain security, and enforce public order and discipline. So, it also provides and maintain public facilities like roads, supply of water and electricity, public transport. Now, we have different types of government. वी हैव मोनार्कियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जिसमें जो मोनार्क मतलब किंग और क्वीन क्या होता है अपने हेरिडिटरी राइट को क्या करते हैं कोल्ड करते हैं मोनार्क इज एब्सोल्यूट पावर टू रूल एंड रन द कंट्री लाइक आप सऊदी अरेबिया या यमन का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए डिक्टेटरशिप पावर इज कैप्चर्ड बाय फोन बाय सिंगल पर्सन और अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जैसे आपके म्यांमार राइट और अ फॉर्मर इराक डेमोक्रेसी द गवर्नमेंट इज मेड फॉर द पीपल बाय द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी सो व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी सो जो आपके अब्राहम लिंकन है व्हाट ही सेड डेमोक्रेसी इज द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल बाय द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल ड्यू टू लार्ज साइज ऑफ कंट्री एंड ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन direct democracy is not possible in modern time so people elect their representative through election who is in turn run the government गवर्नमेंट क्या होती है आंसरेबल होती है टू द पीपल राइट एंड फॉर ऑल द डिसीजन एंड द पॉलिसी The concept of democracy came into existence in Europe at the time of Revolution, England and France during 17th and 18th century. So the Greek word in Athens, all the free citizens except the slaves, women, right, and the lies living in Greece had the right to make decisions together. Limited democracy only for free citizens was practiced here. Even in ancient Rome, republic in some elements of representation. Right? The Romans were the first to give the idea of republication of the world. In modern times, जो आपके indirect form of democracy होते हैं, people elect their representative who makes laws for them. Now let's study about the different elements. We had equality of all citizens. Every citizen is equal. We cannot discriminate on the basis of caste, creed and color. Participating people. Everyone participate in the democratic form of government. The consent of people are right to express their opinion. Now, freedom of expression, democracy is one of the best form of government because it gives freedom to all, treats all people at par. In India, there is lot of diversity as people belongs to different religion, reason and speak different languages. Right? We have already discovered that equality is an element of democracy which mingles the rich with the poor and uneducated well. So the government, the enhancing human dignity. So the democracy enhances human dignity because it's ruled by the people themselves. Basic idea of democracy is that people rule themselves by participating in and making these. So in fact, democracy aims to achieve social, political and economic equality, equal status और opportunity देता है. A democratic government makes special or socially or economically weaker section. Now let's study about the democratic institution. We have universal adult franchise. So it is a system of election in which all citizens who have reached the age of entitled to cast vote irrespective to caste creed color. मतलब जो 18 years above है, they have right to vote in the elections, right? Only minor bankrupts and criminals are denied. The age of being adult has been fixed differently in various countries. In India, England, it is 18. Burma में 20 years है और Norway में 23. Arguments in favor of universal adult, all the citizens get political education. System is more democratic और ये किस पे based है equality पे. Rights of all the safeguarded people elect their representative, maintain and control. It creates internet among all in public matters, right? Universal adult franchise awakens self-respect even among the poor. When the important leaders they approach their votes, they feel that they also have a hand in the administration of the country. ये कहता है सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को अवेकन करता है राइट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इलेक्शन इलेक्शंस आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी डेमोक्रेसी इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ये हाईएस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी है टू कंडक्ट इलेक्शन इन इंडिया इलेक्शन आर हेल्ड एवरी 5 years फॉर इलेक्शन स्टेट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉल डिवीजन जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं इलेक्टोरल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी राइट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इफ वी टॉक अबाउट so a political party is a group of persons having same ideology and holding the same opinions. The aim is to contest and win election is to capture political party and they can form a government. So political parties, they need to win the people support first. Now we have coalition government. So if no single party wins a clear majority, two or more parties may join together. And what they do, they have to obtain majority. So जो collective strength होती है assembly की, what they provide? They provide required majority to form the government, and this type of government is called coalition government. And this is the post-poll alliance. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Post-poll alliance कहते हैं. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.